world of systems nested within systems, nested within systems. And these systems are always in transition. But despite their constant movement, socio-technical systems are highly resistant to change because they get set in their ways just like we do. But they can change as a result of three things: large and small events, technological innovations and breakthroughs, and changes in beliefs, social norms, and practices. Human societies are always in transition, but these transitions have been largely unintentional, full of drift, and we really only understand their ramifications in hindsight. We call it history. The question before us in the 21st century is whether we can intentionally transition our societies and organizations toward more sustainable, equitable, and desirable long-term futures. So during this unprecedented time, I want to suggest that we can all become students of systems dynamics and watch closely to see which niche innovations will get traction and bubble up to the regime level, creating further disruptions and instability that in turn, you can bet on it, will open up new opportunities at the niche level. But we also need to anticipate the unintended consequences that will arise as part of these systems transitions. But the niche level is where the action is right now. Incredible innovations, technological breakthroughs, and research are popping like corn right now. So what should we be anticipating? What are the key questions our communities and organizations should be asking? What questions and opportunities has the pandemic opened up for your industry sector or your organization? These questions and many more will guide all of our actions in the coming months and years.